Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make onion soup mix at home. Now we're all familiar with the onion soup mix that you can buy in the grocery store that comes in a packet. I really do love this stuff, but I realize that it's high in preservatives and sodiums, so I designed this recipe that tastes really close to it, if not better. It's healthier for you and it's cheaper. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. And for this recipe we are going to need half a cup of dried onion flakes, a quarter cup of beef bouillon powder. Now if you want to make this vegan, you can substitute the beef for vegetable and it's still great. We also need 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley. We're going to also need half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of celery seed, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Now to make this up, all we have to do is take all of our ingredients and combine them in a large bowl and whisk them till it's thoroughly combined. And just like that, our onion soup mix is done. Now we want to transfer this to an airtight container and it will last in our cabinets for up to 6 months. Now this recipe also makes about 4 packets of the onion soup mix. So if you're cooking a recipe that calls for 1 packet, you want to use about a quarter cup of this. And just like that, you have onion soup mix made at home. This stuff is fantastic. I believe it's better than the stuff you can get in the store because it's a healthier version, and I think it has more flavor. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. If you're interested in the outdoors, I have an outdoor channel as well, and I'll drop a link for that in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.